Let's get this straight. Let's answer some questions about balance on hand that people may have. What do you mean the app is free? It's free. It's free. If you want to back up your data and restore your data, then it's $3.99 a month. But if you're okay with the data being on your phone, then it's free. Okay, so you said about backup. So how does this backup work? Well, you sign up for a subscription. It's $3.99 in a month, and then when you're a member, you have the pro subscription. There's a backup button. You click that backup button. Before you can back up your data, you have to generate 12 words. Write those words down, because if you lose those words, you lose your backup. Those 12 words are used to back up, encrypt your data, and that's data stored on the cloud. It's encrypted. I can't read it. I can look at it, but I can't read it. It's encrypted, okay? Which means that if someone was to hack into the database and steal your budget data, all they have is data they can't read because you own the encryption. And when you want to restore your data, you just restore it. So backup allows you to protect your data. Let's suppose you lost your phone, you broke your phone, and or you got a new phone, or maybe just want to log into another device and view your data. You basically log into that device, and then you restore your data to that device. And then just make sure you back up your data in case you just come back to your phone. You can see that new data. You just have to restore again, so that's clear. And so other questions, ads. No, there's absolutely no ads. There's no ads on the budget, and there's no ads on the .com site, which is kind of just like an informational site, and there's no ads within the app, so it's free. Do you sell my data? Absolutely not. I don't sell, I don't have access to your data. Your data is stored on your phone. So I don't have access to your data. I don't want to sell your data. I don't want to see your data. I'm not contacting people to sell your data. Your data is your data. That's how it is. Doesn't make fucking sense, because I mean, why why is this free again? So okay, so don't be fucking telling people, man. I don't want people fucking like chasing me around, or seeing me in Walmart, or sending me fucking like don't tell people this shit, because I don't want my fucking, I just don't tell people. But by me making the app free for the people who want to protect their data, the $3.99 across, say, 25,000 people, that's going to be enough for me to retire, and I can focus more on the app and make better features. So that's how I make my money. I'm not going to make any money up front. I'm going to make my money on the back end by helping people better manage their credit. And when they see that, oh my God, I'm not missing bills, I'm not skipping bills, I'm not overspending, I'm not taking out car loans that I can't afford, I don't got the repo man chasing me anymore. Their credit scores will eventually go up, and their whole stress level as far as dealing with bills should go down. So I help people out, and then hopefully in return they see that their data is available and they want to sign up for a subscription. So that's why it's free. Okay, I hope I answered everyone's question. And if you have any questions, I'm making like 2 or 3 videos a day. Inside the app, there's a link that you can send me an email, and I will periodically check that email. So if there's any questions you have, I'll respond back with another video. But it's that simple, people. And there's a lot of videos I'm making about how to use the app. So you can probably use AI and say, hey, AI, balance on hand, find me a video that shows me how to do that. And I'm pretty sure AI will be able to find you that video to show you how to use the app. But that's about it. It's a 5-minute video. Again, it's free. Uh, get it today. Thank you.